What's up guys, welcome back to Honest Cooks. Today, we will be making 3 delicious recipes for the 2020 Super Bowl viewing. Let's go. Let's start with loaded chicken nachos. I'm using chicken thighs and I'm adding oil, paprika, salt and pepper to it. You can also use chicken breast instead. And now we will mix it well. And it's ready to cook. Once you start cooking the chicken, turn on your oven and preheat it to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. And we will also keep an oven-proof bowl or pan ready at this point. We will assemble, bake and serve the nachos in the same pan. Once the chicken is cooked, use the same pan to cook the onions and the bell peppers. All the chicken flavor is in that oil, so we will use it to enhance the flavor of our vegetables. And the tomatoes will go in raw when we assemble the nachos later. Season the vegetables. Splash in just a little bit of water and cover it to cook it evenly. Now is the time to use that oven-proof pan and assemble the nachos. When you're assembling your nachos, you can add salsa, but to me the chips get soggy when I do that, so I just prefer adding a dollop of sour cream after I pull them out of the oven. We're going to bake this till the cheese is nice and golden. If you're enjoying our video so far, please hit that subscribe button and make sure to check out our other videos after you finish watching this one. the beans to the blender, put a little bit of water, oil, salt and pepper and blend it into a coarse mix. Avocado is the second layer of our dip, so we'll clean it and mash it up with a little bit of salt. This bean mixture is going to be the first layer of our dip. In goes the first layer, and then we will add the avocados. And we'll top it off with sour cream. And there you go, your 3-layer dip is ready. Let's mix the ingredients for the sauce in a bowl. And set it aside. Take 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, add thyme and salt and pepper to it. And then coat the wings. The flour gives a crispy texture to the wings. When you're finished coating the wings, leave it to rest for about 15 minutes. Till then, we will finish cooking the sauce. Add a little bit of water if the sauce is too thick and the sugar has not dissolved yet. We're going to double fry the wings. Once you get the initial color on a high flame, remove them from the oil, reduce the heat to medium-high, and drop them back in. This method gets you a crunchy coating and juicy meat on the inside. Plate the wings and garnish with scallions and sesame seeds. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Your sub is greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day.